Today's learning goal is I can use district resources for learning. We are going to be using district resources to learn math, okay? So, the program or the resource that we're going to use is in CCPS applications. So everybody look at your monitors. Let's follow along. CCPS applications right here. And you're going to have to let it load because it takes a minute. Now, we need to look on the left-hand side, and we're going to look for the word math. M-A-T-H, math. Then, once you click on math, you're going to get some different options over here on the right-hand side. I want to click on the red and yellow shapes. This says shapes. So we're going to be learning about shapes. So I click and I let this load. You're going to let it load for a second because, again, this takes some time. So we are now in Investigations, Shapes. We're going to click on the very top thing that says Free Explore. Everybody, what are we clicking on? Free Explore. Good job. Okay, so I'm going to click on this, and this is my work mat. My job today is to create a picture using shapes. So if I want to use a shape, I click on the shape, and then I click where I want it on my paper. And if I want another one, click another one. If I want to move my shape, I click on the arrow, and now I can move my shape to wherever I want. I can also flip my shape. So watch this. I click on this flip sign, and then I click on my shape, and it flips it upside down for me. Or I can turn my shape. So watch this green triangle. I click on the circle to turn, and it turns my shape for me. Now, if I want to erase a shape, I click on the eraser, and I click on the shape, and it's gone. Now, the final thing I'm going to show you is I can change the color of my shape. So I click on this rainbow right here, click on the color, and then I click on the shape. And it changes the color. Boys and girls, I have a big no-no for you. See this red dot right here? It's red as in stop. Do not click on this. If you click on this, it's probably going to freeze your computer. We're going to have to shut it down, and you're not going to have time to draw your own picture. Okay? Now, when you're ready to finish, and it's time to go, what you're going to do is you are going to click on this X to close it. Would you like to save your changes? I'm going to click on the N for no, N-O, no. And it will X me out, okay? So, today we are going to use investigations to learn about using shapes to create a picture.